Hey there, this is a Ford 150, the Ford-based pickup truck made by Njstar. And this one, the China domestic customer already ordered this one. So it's under production and almost finished. So let's take a look about the exterior first. You can see this one. It's pretty big for this camper. It's pretty nice. Ford 150. And so, this is the queen size bed. The front area, LED lighting, acrylic window. It's very unique. And here, this is the gravity water, so you can add in water by the gravity. And this is the super off-road tire, the acrylic window, and this is the cameras at this side. This camper has 4 sides camera. You can see the interior by this way here. Acrylic window is very unique. It's pretty unique. You see the double layer hollow acrylic. It has almost 4 millimeter of the thickness here. It's pretty nice. And let's take a look at the rear. This is the rear. You see, those this camper box are carefully bolted by these bolts, which is very nice. And the waterproof ability is the top one. And this side here, so you can take a look at this side. So what we have in this compartment, this is the fresh water, gray water. It shows the capacity inside, and electricity, shore power charger here. And for this one, it can, so there are and water pump, LED lighting, and USB secret lighter socket, and I have some spare buttons here for the electricity. So it also have pure water function on this compartment here. So there are many tool storages here. There's one, and we can also store the tool storage at the rear because we are lifted the space up there. And here you see that this is the rear side camera. And here also have a big acrylic window here. It's really nice. And for this truck, Ford 150 is using the leaf spring. The leaf spring, you see that? This is the leaf spring. This is the absorbers of this leaf spring. And the door. So don't forget, this side also have the cameras. Acrylic windows at this side. And now we are going to check the inside. The inside is amazing. Precisely manufactured for the inside. Let's take a look. So take a look about the door. The door is pretty nice. The door is also the acrylic window here, and the door have its, it feels like the door is a little bit heavy. It should be the aluminum door. It's pretty nice and pretty cool, isn't it? Let's take a look about the details inside. The teak flooring. So we'll do some modification currently. You see, so those are the black wood, the original wood, which is really nice, really smooth on the surface, and precisely manufactured. So you can see, so those area are all the aluminum here. And this is the queen size bed here. So we are standing inside here, so you can take a look from this way here. So there are some mattress just put there, windows there. So these edges are covered by the teak wood or the black wood, which is really nice. 2 windows there. And so there are 3 cabinets. 3 cabinets. It's really nice. So like using this mechanical design here. Pretty cool. And also have the ventilation on the roof. This is the ventilation on the roof. There is a TV here, which is pretty nice. And this is the black wood table. So this is the black wood table. And there is sales. Sales. 销售. 销售. So there is an induction cooker here. 销售拖挂. So there's a colleague asked me, what's my occupation? I'm the sales of travel trailer. So this is the control panels on this Ford truck, which is amazing. There are many control buttons. So it shows a diesel warmer, water plumbing, and also the ground heating, and also the fan heating. This is the water heater and the coolant, gray water tank, fresh water tank. And there are also the music system here, and these are the music system, and 3 spares, and lighting, water pump, external lighting, and refrigerator, and also have some many things here to control. Instead, the Njstar pickup truck, it have a screen here to monitor everything just in one screen, but this keep the physical buttons here. It's not that updated, but it's pretty cool also. So we are still manufacturing it, so we are not to take a look about the restroom. You can take a video. You can take a look about the Njstar RV we are just making here. In the Njstar RVs, we have the restroom. Actually, the similar design. Actually, they have the similar design. So the precisely design of these edges, we can take a look here. So these edges are carefully, precisely manufactured here, which is really nice here. And the TV here. So we can show you the precise manufacture by these gaps. See that? Very precisely manufactured on these gaps here, like this. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. And the blackwood table is amazing. The blackwood table is amazing. And here at this way, you can see the passenger side. And also the passenger sides are decorated by the blackwood, the original wood, which is very luxurious here. Pretty cool. So the reason why we are just put a plate here instead of a slide, because while you're driving the car, it will make some noise by the slides. But this way, you're gonna make it a perfectly fixed, no noise created. All right, so this is pretty nice. And this side, the acrylic window. So we do have to take a look about this acrylic window, which is really nice here. The double layer holo acrylic window, very durable. Also, there are many sockets on the camper here. So there are also sockets there for the TV here. So this is a table you're sitting face to face. While you're lowering down this table, it also become a sleeping area. It's pretty cool. All right, so this is the walkthrough of this unique pickup, the 4-based truck camper in Njstar. So take a look about these edges, which is amazingly good, precisely manufactured. So this is why, and this kind of a camper is really expensive. See that? These size, no gaps, and precisely manufactured. See this area, which is pretty cool. All right, this is the roof light. Here, the roof light. All right. So at last, we can take a look from this way. You can see the ventilation fan on top of this truck camper, and this side, the queen size bed there. All right. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Also, this is the door side. You can see this is the real sandwich panel on the wall. It's the full seasonal camper. Even you are in the 20 under 20 Celsius, the weather, it can suitable for camping. It's the real four seasonal camper with this kind of a sandwich panel insulation. It's amazing. All right. Thank you for watching, fellows. This is a 4-based Njstar pickup truck camper. We just have a short overview inside. Thank you, guys.